In this video, I'm going to highlight the 3 critical elements of urgency in a PLC. But let's start by laying some quick foundation. The mission is to ensure that every student masters identified essential skills and competencies. And when you work in a PLC, you're engaging in equity, which is giving students what they need, when they need it, with urgency. Now let's talk about those 3 critical elements. The first critical element of urgency is clarity, which is answering question 1 of a PLC. You've got to be absolutely clear on your outcomes, which are the essential skills and competencies every single student must master to have any chance of success at the next grade level, the next course, the high stakes assessment, and life beyond the K-12 system. The second element of urgency is conviction. It's a huge step to identify essential learning outcomes, but you then must be convicted as a team to ensure those outcomes. Picture your backs up against the wall. There's only one way out, and you're letting students know with love that every single one of you is going to master these targets, and you'll do whatever it takes to get there. The third critical element is the one I find missing most times when I'm working with schools, and that third one is constraints. Think about any goal in your life, any ambition you have, any kind of milestone you're trying to achieve. You've got to have time constraints to make it urgent. And very typical ones that are typically set up in most school systems are marking periods. Now, for those of you on a semester system, you can break time segments up into 6-week chunks. Those 6 weeks you spend every collaborative team meeting monitoring every student's progress toward mastery. And you're talking about practices that work, ones that aren't as effective this year. You're trading strategies. It's almost like you're around an operating table in an emergency situation. You don't care where the answer comes from. You just got to find the answer, baby.